That's also a scene where Denzel brought a lot in, and I think that might have been Rocky's first real scene. And I think Rocky was nervous. You know, it's like playing tennis with somebody who's better than you. They make you better. And you saw Rocky get into it too. The Rocky like stepped up.
Yo, what the f? So what you got police waiting outside for, son? How the f you found me?
You ain't hard to find. I heard one of your hot joints.
Okay, and? So what about it?
You got a lot of potential.
Potential? Nigga, f out of here. You deaf? Nigga, my shit lit.
Especially that scene between him and A$AP Rocky in the studio, in that makeshift studio.
That's another improv?
That's the scene. But that's also a scene where Denzel brought a lot in, and I think that might have been that might have been Rocky's first real scene.
Wow.
And I think Rocky was nervous. You know, it's like playing tennis with somebody who's better than you. They make you better.
They make you better. No, totally.
And they made, and you saw Rocky get into it too. The Rocky like stepped up, and and there was only like one take in which he keeps repeating the word hoping you notice me, hoping. And I thought, oh man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful stuff. I know at the same time, Denzel is doing incredible things off script.
On the chorus, ad-lib a little bit. Layer the vocals differently. Something like, where's my money? I got the 4-pounder sitting right here. Don't try nothing funny. Something like that. You know, Nazir, 93, 94.
And all that old shit you talking about now, it sound more like, I got the blicky on me, OG, so don't try nothing tricky on me, OG.
I got mine too, young G, 9mm. And a lot of reasons why you shouldn't f with me either, young G. I'm the one that can pay you. I don't need to be the one that's gonna slay you.
Is this a battle right now?
These are two guys who really could have worked together. These are two guys who should have worked together. Their lives should have gone in a different direction. You know, Denzel, as the record producer, should have somehow taken notice of this talent, of this great young talent that he has completely ignored. And now here's a moment where he's not ignoring it. He's taking it in, he's listening to it, and he likes it, But this is a future or a history or whatever you want to call it, that cannot be. It cannot be. You can say it's a fantasy moment. I mean, that's how I take it.
I set out a stacking hits, offices, recording studios, business meetings. I even followed your little Trey on social media. See where y'all gonna be at dining and hoping we can meet up, hoping I bump into you, hoping you give me time of the day, hoping you hear me. I used to be on a Brooklyn bridge, just looking up at you at your terrace. You know, the Dumbo Olympia. I told you I know where you lay too, nigga. Shit ain't about nothing. Just to find out you had the worst ears in the business. But you hear me now though, right? You hear me now though, right?